morning, family. What is going on? Welcome to today's vloggage video. Jump to this timestamp if you just want to get to the title or topic of this video. It's very interesting, believe me, need to catch it. Really big announcement for me. Otherwise, I just want you guys to just follow me along. I've just been hitting my morning walk as I do. It's a really fresh, really crispy morning here in the UK. The sun is out, it's not too cold. Otherwise guys, sit back, relax and enjoy this video. Here we are. Thank you. Right peeps, now 11:30. I've just been editing for Instagram. What I've done is I've taken a previous YouTube tutorial, and what I've tried to do is cut it down into like a 2-minute IG video. So what I like to do sometimes is just try and chop up some of the YouTube stuff and yeah, put it up on Instagram. That way I've got multiple kind of platforms hosting the same sort of content but in different kind of forms, so shorter, longer. It just makes sense for Instagram to have it obviously shorter. Right guys, I'm back in the Batmobile. I'm going to be going to meet Joey right now at his gym, which is called Kings. It's a phenomenal gym, proper muscle mania, iron, just massive tonk peeps up in that gym. I'm like the smallest guy there, but sometimes I like to go train there with him because it's just good just to sort of change the scenery a little bit. Send me a location. No time, no.
Just do it for me. It's your boy Easy on Capital Extra.
Cut defined.
I'm on YouTube already.
You're on YouTube, bro. What's happening?
What's happening, bro? What do you say? You ready to work out?
Ready to work out. The crew are worried about you, bro.
The crew, don't worry, crew. I'm here.
Are you feeling better?
Yeah, I'm definitely better, man. I was a bit ill last week, guys.
What happened, man? It's not that coronavirus, is it?
No, it's not.
People travel from far in the UK to come here, innit?
Yeah, definitely.
Joey's shaking her leg already, man. Sick flavour. Gym is no joke, peeps. A little boxing area here. This little zone is mad. Row machines. And all the weights are in that area over there. What are we starting off with first, bro?
Starting with some pull-ups, your favourite.
Pull-up, oh fuck's sake. Hate pull-ups. This guy is strong, man. I ain't gonna lie, man, my pull-up form, I can't do pull-ups, bro. Mad.
Getting the full extension on the lat.
Yeah. That bit's the hardest when you go all
That's the full extension is the very hard part.
Woo! Check this pump out.
Pump. We haven't started. We haven't even done nothing. We only done 60 pull-ups.
4 or 5 sets, man. Look at this.
4 or 5 sets already.
Jeez, man.
Good. Squeeze at the top. Remember that squeeze at the top. Good.
This machine.
So feet shoulder width apart. Nice bend in the knees. Good. Good. Squeezing at the top. Slow the reps down, bro. Slow the reps down. Nice slow reps. Feel it. Good.
Machines, machines, machines everywhere. Cool little grass patch. What's next, bruv?
We're going to be doing seated roll with lat pull down. Superset.
Bruv, everything's superset with you, man. Shreds.
1, 2, good. Remember to breathe. Inhale, exhale. Good. Good, bro. Gains are looking alright. Tricep looking good. Pump.
Small little fillet.
Small fillet, but it's coming. Legs are looking alright.
Legs are decent.
Calves are pumped up. You know, calves are dead.
Joey's setting up the next one. The music in this place is mad. The tunes, the playlist is serious.
Two, let's go.
That is crazy.
Seven, good. Full extension. 8, good.
He told me that was the last set before. Now he's just we're just walking out and he's like, actually, let's do one more. How you gonna do me like that, bro? He said that was the last one. Gym done, guys. Oh shit. So sorry.
It's alright, don't
I
worry.
literally didn't see you there.
No, don't worry.
Sorry, and I got that on YouTube as well. That was embarrassing. Bro, what we do? Where we going? Get some food?
Yeah, bro, let's go.
Let's do this. I'm really sorry, by the way.
No, don't worry about it.
Our guy's fixing us up. Say what's up to the crew. What's up, guys? That's my guy. Always hooking us up. Omelette, beans, basically the usual.
Omelette, beans, chickpea, salad.
Nah, is this what you ordered?
Lean, man, if you want to stay.
What? Nothing else?
Cut the fire.
Oh, bro, nothing else. This is why I'm not defined like Joey. Honestly, is that what you're eating? Only that? Bro, bro, have some chips or something, bro. Yes, people. Right, back at the HQ head office. Feeling good, feeling clean, man. Just showered up. I feel like when I vlog, I feel like I only really tend to turn the camera on if something interesting is going on and just a little bit outside the day-to-day norm. As I mentioned so many times on my vlogs, like sometimes when you're just stuck in front of the computer doing emails and doing kind of businessy stuff, it's not so fun to really just record and talk about that, and I feel like it's a bit repetitive. And that kind of leads me on to kind of what's been going on for the last, I don't know, 2-3 months or so. From the back end of 2019, I've been working on a massive project for myself, and I'm very honored and I'm very proud to kind of talk about this and release this to the world. And it is, of course, the RA Academy, the Rush Athletics Academy. And I really do feel like this is the gem. This is the piece of the sort of missing piece of the puzzle, as it were, to this whole idea of legacy for me. And the whole idea of RA Academy is simply to share my skills, my experiences with a rope, and to really pass it down onto generations, future generations to come. And it's all about how I want to teach and how I want to inspire more and more people across the world to learn this art form. And I want you guys to go online, and what it basically means is that any one of you right now watching can train with me one-to-one if you want, from the comfort of your own home. You can train in person if you want to, if you're close by, if you're in London. If you go online right now, you can sign up literally to, I think we've got 4 different styles of teaching, and I'm soon to be releasing an online training kind of system as well, where you can just watch videos and have instruction by just listening and watching, of course. Go online, check this new kind of arm of the business for me, how I'm going to be developing the brand in the kind of coming months. You can have video training with me, and I've done one or 2 recently where I was training someone in Australia. I woke up super early and we got it done, and he's already making great progress. What really excites me about this is that, you know, even long after, when I get old and when I'm gone, then hopefully the style, the Rush Athletics way of skipping, the methods, will hopefully outlive me and just live on forever. And that's what makes me so proud about this. And even going forward, even thinking bigger than this, guys, I want to create a training academy. That'll be the next step, but a training academy where I will be selecting, or I'll be taking kind of applications from people who want to learn my style of teaching and then be able to run any course, any of my academy courses from wherever they are, wherever country they are. And again, that will just scale everything so much more, get more and more people inspired to pick up a rope and become legendary. And that is literally all I want from this this business, this brand. Remember, when I first picked up a rope, I never thought I'd be able to reach the world in kind of my teachings, and it was just YouTube and just the love of just making videos and trying to get more and more people into it, that eventually the snowball got bigger and bigger, and we got more and more fortunate to then lead into creating products. If you guys are interested in the academy, then shoot a comment down below if you've got any questions. If you're also looking to be a trainer, just comment down below, just so I've got your name and got your details or whatever it is. And yeah, just stay tuned, guys. This is a big chapter for us. I'm really proud. I don't know what I'm gonna do for the rest of today's vlog. I've got some orders to put out, got some signed ropes to do. Nothing too interesting, but yeah, stick around.
Morning.
Morning, morning. So what's up to YouTube, man?
Oh yes, what's going on YouTube?
This is my cousin Raj. I think they met you.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Well, nice to meet you.
Bruv, I'm really sorry. I'm gonna look at this, bruv. Look what I've done here. Some gloves. Need these to sort out this mess. Oh, this is so grime. Alright, that's the damage. Bro, you right sorting that all out?
All good, man.
What a G. Look at this, man. Thank you, bruv. I'm gonna conclude the vlog there, guys. It was just about showing you guys the training session really and talking about Rush Athletics Academy. And remember, if you haven't, just go down on my website and just select any of the classes you want, especially if you're in the London area. I'll be launching my first ever small group class, intense group class. And if you want to talk to me one-to-one, train with me online, you can literally do that. You just got to set up a tripod, have a phone, have Skype, and we can get a video training call done. What's it called?
Aladdin.
Aladdin?
Yeah.
This is not even the cartoon. Who's this lady?
He got us with Aladdin.
What?